Recall that the number of periods is the length of time from the beginning of the investment or loan until termination. There are three ways to solve for the number of periods: using time value of money tables, using a financial calculator, or using Excel, which is the most common way. This video will show you how to calculate the number of periods using Excel. The formula is equals NPER, open parentheses, rate, which is the annual interest rate, minus PMT, which is a reoccurring payment amount and always negative, PV, which is the present value, and finally FV, which is the future value and might often be zero. Let's look at two scenarios where we calculate the number of periods until a loan is paid off. George has $20,000 in credit card debt at 18% compounded monthly. How many months will it take him to pay off his credit card debt if he makes the monthly payment of $350 a month? And how many months if the payment is $550 a month? Using the Excel number of periods formula, I enter equals NPER, open parentheses, 18% divided by 12, comma, minus 350, comma, 20,000, comma, and 0 for future value, close parentheses. This results in 131 months to pay off his credit card. For the next one, I enter equals NPER, open parentheses, 18% divided by 12, comma, minus 550, comma, 20,000, comma, and 0 for the future value, close parentheses. This results in 53 months to pay off his credit card. And that's how you use Excel to calculate the number of periods.